Fans are desperately preparing for the FIFA World Cup 2022, which starts on November 20th this year. Now, all the ticket holders must apply for a Haya card, which is the HAYYA card, which is necessary to enter the nation and the World Cup venues. Now, what exactly is HAYYA card, known as the Haya card, and why it is necessary? That's what this video is all about. Who needs exactly a Haya card? All Qatar guests who intend to attend the game must apply for a Haya card. Children also must have a Haya card, and those younger than 18 must have a parent or guardian on their account. Now, if you already have a Haya card, do you need a visa for it? As long as they hold a valid Haya card, foreign visitors coming to Qatar for the FIFA World Cup will not need a visa to enter the nation. Holders of Haya cards can stay in Qatar till January 23rd, 2023. What is the process for applying for a Haya card? Applications for Haya cards can be submitted online or via the Haya to Qatar 2022 mobile app or the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 website. The application should be completed according to the detailed instructions, and then they will be submitted for approvals. Now, till what date can Haya card holders stay in Qatar? Holders of the Haya cards may remain in Qatar till January 23rd, 2023. That's what I told you. How long does it take to get a Haya card? While citizens of the country can get their Haya card in 3 days, foreign visitors will get it in around 5 days. So these are some of the questions that are about the Haya card. I'm sure that you are now aware about what exactly is the Haya card and why is it necessary. So if you like enjoying and watching the game there in the Qatar, you must have an Haya card for yourself. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.